DC controller PCB replacement. Removing the PCB. Open the controller. Unplug the panel connection cable. Then unscrew the screws at the corners of the PCB. Then unscrew the screws in the center of the PCB. Install the PCB board. Align the holes and put on the silicone gasket. Put on the silicone gasket. Put the PCB into the controller box. Align the screw holes. Screw in 7 3*6 screws. Screw 3*5 screws diagonally into the corners of the PCB. Insert the controller panel cable.